Hearing an owl at night. Spiritual meaning. Hearing an owl at night. Spiritual meaning has intrigued people for centuries. In many cultures, the mysterious sound of an owl's call in the darkness is more than just nature. Is hearing an owl hooting a bad omen or good luck? This depends on your culture and your mindset. In many traditions, it's a sign of wisdom, not fear. But in some places, owl omen good or bad ideas make people worry. Owl symbolism in different cultures and belief systems. Owl meaning in Native American culture links owls to death, but not always in a scary way. Seeing versus hearing an owl. What's the difference spiritually? Seeing an owl frequently. Spiritual significance ties to clarity. You're being shown the truth in your waking life. Spiritual meaning of different types of owls. Barn owl brings messages from the shadow self. Its silent flight represents secrets. Snowy owl signals peace, clarity, and protection. It often appears in cold emotional states, offering light. Great horned owl is a symbol of strength and deep wisdom. It may appear when you need courage. Owl hooting in dreams. Spiritual interpretation. Owl in dreams. Spiritual meaning can vary, but often, it signals a deep truth is about to surface. Your spirit may be ready to face a hidden truth. Seeing versus hearing an owl. What's the difference spiritually? Hearing is subtle, inner-focused. Seeing is bold and external. Both are powerful, but they speak to different types of spiritual signs from owls. Owls as spirit animals, totems, and power animals. The owl power animal offers sharp vision and unseen truths. As a totem animal, it helps with shadow work and deep insight. Owl as a messenger. In the spirit. Owl as a messenger appears in dreams, meditation, or real life. In all forms, it brings messages from the beyond. What to do after hearing an owl hoot spiritually. Write down how you felt. Think about what was on your mind. Reflect. That's how you'll uncover the owl message from beyond. Owl hooting in the morning. Spiritual meaning. Morning owl hoots may point to the start of a new spiritual chapter. It signals spiritual support and awareness as the light returns. This is a moment to open your eyes and your heart. An owl's call. Spiritual meanings in religion and mythology. In ancient texts and stories, owl calls represent divine omens. In Egyptian, Greek, and Hindu belief systems, owl in mythology connects to the goddess of wisdom, prophecy, and death. What is the spiritual meaning of the night owl? The night owl is often seen as a guardian. Its presence at night represents seeing clearly in darkness and being open to messages from owls that come in moments of quiet. Owl hooting based on the number of hoots. 1 hoot wake-up call. Time to focus. 2 hoot balance and harmony. Choose wisely. 3 hoot mind, body, spirit alignment. Powerful sign. 4 hoots, protection from ancestors. You're not alone. 5 hoots, major change ahead. Hearing an owl hoot one time. Spiritual meaning. A single hoot may feel small, but spiritually, it can mean a lot. It might be a symbol of wisdom or a warning to be cautious. In many traditions, hearing an owl hoot once suggests you should trust your instincts. Hearing an owl hoot 2 times spiritual meaning. 2 hoots might be a message of balance and harmony. This pattern often symbolizes a need to make a decision or to acknowledge a spiritual crossroad in your life. It's a gentle nudge to seek inner guidance and intuition. Hearing an owl hoot 3 times spiritual meaning. 3 hoots could mean transformation is near. This often signals positive transformation or spiritual growth. It's a clear sign you're being supported by unseen forces. Hearing an owl hoot 4 times spiritual meaning. When you hear 4 hoots, it could mean reflection and insight are needed. This number suggests stability, yet also a warning to remain grounded during change. Hearing an owl hoot 5 times spiritual meaning. 5 hoots often point to sudden or big changes. Spiritually, it might indicate that you are being called to step into a new version of yourself, embracing new beginnings and letting go of the past. An owl hoot 6 times spiritual meaning. 6 hoots may symbolize a call for inner healing. In spiritual terms, it often signals alignment with your spiritual support network or guides. You may be in the process of unlocking deeper truths about yourself. Two owls hooting to each other symbolizes romance. When you hear 2 owls calling back and forth, it's often a symbolic meaning of owl sighting related to love or soul connection. Spiritually, it can mean a powerful bond is either forming or being watched over. Hearing an owl at 3 a.m. This specific time is often referred to as the witching hour. A hoot at 3 a.m. carries strong energy and could reflect owls' role in lucid dreaming or spirit contact. What does it mean when an owl calls outside your window? If an owl is hooting right outside your window, take it seriously. Spiritually, this may be a deeply personal message just for you. It's a moment of observation and owl symbolism, telling you to reflect and stay alert.